Stand by. I got an engine file there.
Appears we've lost an engine, American 1179. We want to come back to Newark.
Say again?
Yeah, just take us on a downwind back to runway 4 left at Newark, please.
1179, turn left heading 220.
This 220, American 1179.
American 1179, when you have a second, fuel and souls on board.
Okay, we have 20,000 pounds of fuel on board and number of souls.
American 1179, traffic sudden departure roll, wind 0309, runway 4 left, cleared to land.
Airline 4 left, American 1179.
American 1179, left turn there at Yankee, exit to runway there, and short of Sierra, do you need any assistance?
Well, we'd like the fire department to check us over.
Okay, why don't you make the left turn on Sierra for me, hold short of Mike, and the trucks will check you out. Go to, the trucks are going to be on 13245, 13245. I'm sorry, 3405, 3405.